Yeah, hi, I'm Dr. Suprano Chakrabarti. I specialize in blood diseases and blood cancers with particular emphasis on bone marrow transplantation. If you are looking to know about me, it boils down to the fact that bone marrow transplantation has been my passion since I was in college, and I have gone to great lengths and pain to gain expertise in this specialty. Having spent some 15 odd years abroad, I think I know a bit about it, and the major reason for me coming back to the country was to help the people in this country gain a little bit from my expertise. And right now, we, as in I myself and Dr. Sarita Jaiswal, we are running a half-matched or haploidentical transplant program at Dharamshila Hospital. And this is for patients who do not have a matched family donor. And this is available to only 20% of patients, by the way. So 8 out of 10 patients do not get a transplant because of lack of a matched donor. And we here are offering this chance under one roof, where we have the best infrastructure, best lab facilities, and best medical expertise in providing this. We have performed around 40 such transplants in the last 3 years, and this is our forte or expertise. We do not indulge in various sorts of transplants. This is what we do primarily and particularly. This 23-year-old patient had come to us. He was diagnosed with a condition which is, say, you see 2 in a year, and it is treated very differently from all the other blood cancers. Forget about solid tumors. And those who treat cancers generally, which we call medical oncologists, they treat 100 different cancers, and this is sort of a subgroup of one of those cancers. So we toil and travel to know more about this disease, how to better treat this disease. Actually, this disease is 100% curable, and this is curable without chemotherapy. It's curable with only vitamin tablets, if I might say so. But if you don't do it the right way, the patient dies immediately. And this is what we are faced with in this patient today, that he was diagnosed rightly outside, was given the vitamin, but if you don't give it in the right way, in the right manner, the patient dies because of massive growth of the cells in the body and death because of bleeding. So these are very specific and specialized areas which you cannot dilute. I mean, you cannot go to our cancer specialist or any cancer specialist to get treated for blood cancers. And that is what blood cancers is all about. It's about, it's a liquid. I mean, the other very sort of, pragmatic way of putting it is solid tumors or tumor of breast, prostate, say stomach. They grow like you are building a sort of idol from a lump of clay. Okay, where blood cancers are like you are pouring a glass of water on this table, it's going to go everywhere. Okay, this piece of clay is going to be in your hand. Now it might get bigger and bigger and bigger, and it might go out of your hand, but it's still in your hand. Whereas this is all over. So we are